Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Vidon AI account online on your computer, which is a text to video AI. And now let's start right in. Now to sign up for a Vidon AI account, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address vidon.ai and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Vidon AI. You can see, and let's wait for it guys. And after it loads, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the get started button available over here, and you can also see the pricing from over here on this button, and let's get it load. And you can see guys, this is the pricing of the Vidon AI account according to your account. Go through these thoroughly, and you can choose your subscription with a better idea of what's the capacities of the Vidon AI. And with that being said guys, on this page at the top right corner again, in order to create an account, let's click on the get started button, and you will be taken to the registration process of the Vidon AI. And you can see guys, can directly sign up with Google if you have a Google account from over here. If you click on this continue with Google button available, you'll be taken to a procedure or a login page to be precise of the Google account will open. And if you log into your Google account open from this page, you'll be signed into your Vidon AI without having to go to this manual sign up. And with that being said guys, let's enter our full name, or let's go for a manual registration. To do that, let's enter our full name. Let's enter our email address with which we will be using our Vidon AI account later on. And after that, enter your company website if you have one. If not, just simply enter your password over here. And guys, while making your password, make sure to create a strong password, at least 8 characters long, using small letters, capital letters, some extra characters or special characters, and some numbers. And with that being done guys, after entering your details over here, click on the sign up button available over here, and you will have registered an account on the Vidon AI. And on the next step, a verification link will be sent to you on your email address. Go to your email address, and after that, open that verification link and click on the link sent by the Vidon AI on your email address, and then your account will be verified. And on the next step, after the verification, you'll have to choose your subscription plan, which was from over here. And after that, you will be able to use your Vidon AI with ease. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Vidon AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.